My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Zhong. Zhong is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Zhong ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. I'll demonstrate to you what happens with the files. So very soon it happens that this Zhong extension is appended to the file names, and indeed the files are damaged and encrypted. It is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start the program Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect this ransomware and to remove it effectively from your computer. So Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course you should not skip this important step to make sure that this ransomware is effectively detected. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt these Zhong files. Unfortunately, it is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. But Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect this ransomware, to effectively eliminate it, and to protect your data with the premium feature. And you may always request for the fully functional free trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Finally, you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data that was encrypted by this Zhong ransomware.